Hello everyone! Welcome to Wendy Daily English. Today, I will tell you about my daily routine. I wake up at 6 inches the morning. The sunlight comes into my room softly. I open my eyes and smile. I stretch my arms and feel ready for a new day. I get out of bed slowly. Then I go to the bathroom to brush my teeth. I wash my face with cool water. It helps me feel fresh and awake. After that, I go to the kitchen. I make a simple breakfast for myself. Today, I eat toast, eggs, and fruit. I also drink a warm cup of tea. My breakfast is simple, but it is delicious. It gives me energy for the morning. After breakfast, I get dressed for work. I choose comfortable clothes and take my bag. I check my phone, keys, and wallet. Then I leave home and start my day. The weather is nice this morning. The sky is bright, and the air feels fresh.
I walk to my car and smile. The street is quiet, and the traffic is light. I arrive at work on time. I greet my coworkers with a happy voice. Good morning, everyone. My coworkers smile and say good morning too. I sit at my desk and turn on my computer. Then I check my emails and plan my work. Sometimes my work is easy. Sometimes it is difficult, but I always try my best. Around noon, I go to the cafeteria. I buy lunch and sit with my coworkers.
Today, I eat rice, vegetables, and chicken. We talk, laugh, and relax together.
After lunch, I feel refreshed. I have more energy to continue my work. In the afternoon, I finish my tasks. I check my notes and prepare for tomorrow. At 5 o'clock, my workday is finished. I say goodbye to my coworkers and leave the office. The evening air feels cool and calm. I feel tired, but I am happy with my day. I get into my car and drive home slowly. On the way home, I listen to soft music. When I arrive home, I feel safe and comfortable. I take off my shoes and put down my bag. Then I sit on the sofa for a few minutes. After resting, I go to the kitchen. I cook a simple dinner for myself. Tonight, I make soup and rice. The food smells good, and I feel hungry. After dinner, I wash the dishes. Then I read a book and drink warm tea. At night, I brush my teeth and get ready for bed. I think about my day and feel thankful.
Then I close my eyes and fall asleep peacefully. Thank you for listening, and please subscribe for more simple English stories.